kids, today we're going to draw the planet Earth. Start by drawing a big circle and then some squiggly lines to map out your land space, starting with South America, Central America and North America, which is all joined together. You can look at a map and copy the shapes if you're not sure how it goes. Brilliant! Let's do Africa now. So we're drawing our continents. And now for a little piece of Europe. A tiny boot. That's Italy, you know. Now we can colour in. We're going to colour around our land with blue, of course. It's the ocean and the seas. Careful to stay in between your black lines, not going over any borders. So we're just showing one side of our planet Earth. This is where we live, folks. It's a beautiful place. Did you know that the Earth is mostly made up of water? Yep, that's right, folks. There's way more oceans and seas than there is land on our planet. Earth is known as the blue planet because there is so much water. And that's why we have life, because water is the base of all life. We can just imagine the other side of the Earth since it is a globe. Keep colouring with that blue. Right, almost done. There you go, time to colour the land in. We're going to make it all nice and green using a lovely medium green colour, carefully colouring in between all these wiggly lines. You know, colouring like this can be rather therapeutic. I find it quite relaxing. How about you? And just look at our gorgeous blue planet. Isn't it fantastic? Wonderful. South America. Hey, let's go to Europe next. Hey, what's your favourite country? I love India too. How about your favourite continent? Asia? Oh, fantastic. Well, we're colouring in Africa now. Have you travelled anywhere? Where have you been in the world? Have you ever been to Africa? And nearly done. Finished! And there you have it. The blue planet. Let's put some clouds on for a finishing touch. And there you go. Earth. Our planet.
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!